The International Campaign for Fire Prevention Week is smoke alarms. Make them work for you. The campaign, chosen by the National Fire Protection Association, strives to educate everyone about the importance of installing proper functioning smoke alarms in the home. Locally, the Fire Prevention Department of the Trinidad and Tobago Fire Service is doing its part to share this message with the population.
In my hand is a wireless Wi-Fi smoke detector. This year for fire prevention, we are focusing on smoke alarms. Smoke alarms can save lives as it alerts you in the dead of night when there's a fire. But how would you be alerted if you are hearing impaired or if you have a disability? These smoke alarms currently have the ability to connect to your phone via Wi-Fi and can offer you a vibration and an added level of protection. Not only that, you may not be at home, but that alert will come to your phone.
Officer Rogers said smoke alarms should be placed in every room of the home except the kitchen, where the smoke emanating from cooking will trigger the alarm. In addition to sharing the message, the Fire Prevention Department will also install smoke alarms in the homes of those residing in at-risk communities.
For this Fire Prevention Week, the Fire Prevention Departments throughout Trinidad and Tobago, Northern, Southern, Central Tobago will be going into the at-risk communities that we live and work in, and we will be gifting to them sponsored fire smoke detectors that will allow those members of public who are not currently owners of smoke detectors, we'll offer them one and give them a fighting chance of protecting their homes and their property and their loved ones.
Acting Chief Fire Officer Andy Hutchinson said the alarming rise in residential fires in Trinidad and Tobago demands immediate attention and action.
Our data suggests a worrying trend of increased fire-related incidents resulting in loss of lives and significant property damage for the period January 1, 21 to June 30, 2024.
He also shared data from their statistics.
2021, we had 642 domestic calls. This resulted in property to the value of $1,229,179,008 being threatened. Total losses, $81,322,643.50.
Fire Prevention Week ends on October 12, 2024. Mahalia Joseph-Wharton, TDT News.